Who's got the honey on a cheesy dessert? Hi, my name is Kyle and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And today, I'm going to show you for this recipe is the honey Neufchâtel cheesecake. The first thing, I preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the oven will be nice and hot. You're going to take 9-inch springform pan that I just sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. I line it with these straps on the edge of the parchment paper and line on the bottom each one. So to make the crust, I already ground it out with these graham crackers, only about 9 sheets of graham crackers. There has to be only 1 4 cups of ground Graham Cracker Crumbs. And I already break it out with 3 tablespoons of firmly packed light brown sugar. And I put it in the food processor until it's nice and crumbled. So once you crumble both graham crackers and the brown sugar into the food processor, you're going to put it into a large mixing bowl to transfer. You want to make it a little well in the center. I melt 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then you just want to give this to combine until you get a nice coarse sand. So that's why I'm using the honey-made original graham crackers. If you don't have graham crackers, you can use the digested cookies. Or either way for the digested biscuit as well. I'm going to put this crumbs into the prepared springform pan. Just spread it right over and going to pack it down. Now after you pack it right over into the pan, we're going to toast it in the oven for 20 minutes. Watch it carefully and we're going to make the rest of the ingredients. Once after 20 minutes, you're going to take it out of the oven, put it on the cooling rack. We're going to make a batter for the cheesecake. Now to make a batter, I put 2 8-ounce packages of Neufchâtel cheese that has 1/3 less fat than cream cheese. Then you want to beat this cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. So make sure the cheese has to be room temperature. Alright, I'm going to sift these only for 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to break all those lumps. Now I just plop it in 3 large eggs, half that at room temperature. You're going to keep beating really well. Always have to make sure to scrape down the sides and the bottom using a rubber spatula before you keep beating right over. Now to get some flavor, I like to put 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And of course, 3/4 cup of honey, whatever kind of honey you like, pure honey, natural honey, clover honey. I'm using wildflower honey. I'm gonna keep beating right over. Now I'm going to put it in a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. And I'm going to plop in 1 cup of sour cream. This one has only 8 ounces, which measure only 1 cup. And I'm going to keep right over. Alright, this one's really well battered. I keep scraping down the sides with the rubber spatula. So that's the cheesecake batter. Do not overmix. I decided I can use it with the lining with the oven bag and the disposable foil pan. That allows to prevent from leaking. Because we're going to do for the water bath, we're going to pour this batter right into the cooled crust. Then we're going to return it back in the oven, still at 350 degrees for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Do not overbake. So we're going to pour this batter right into the cool crust. Then we're going to put it into the roasting pan and fill it with boiling water. Alright, that goes into the roasting pan with the water bath, 1 hour and 30 minutes in the oven. After 1 hour and 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, I turn off the oven and I crack the door open just a little. I use the wooden spoon to hold the oven door really easily to tight. I let it cool in the oven while still hot for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we're going to remove the spoon off the oven door and then we're going to take it out. It has been out of the oven and you can see there's no cracks on top. The water bag can help the cheesecake prevent from cracking. I'm going to remove from the roasting pan. Alright, the next step we're going to cover with some plastic wrap after we took out from the roasting pan. And we're going to refrigerate for overnight. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. This is about for next day. I'm just going to have to release from the edge of the springform pan after refrigerated. And going to peel off the edge of the parchment. Comes out really easy. I'm just going to peel it slowly. And of course, I just already removed the plastic wrap from the springform pan before I can release. Alright, I just carefully lift the cheesecake onto the foil wrap. Cake board has been round and I covered 2 sheets of plastic wrap. The foil and the plastic wrap will make easy cleanup as we can serve it. And here you go. You have it finished. Honey Neufchâtel cheesecake. Ready to serve it, slice it in, plate it up, drizzle more honey on top, and enjoy. Alright, I like to drizzle mine with some more honey on top of the cheesecake. Just give it some for presentations. Here we go. Like I said, you can leave it out here if you can. This is how it looks. Honey Neufchâtel cheesecake. Enjoy. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other recipes from In the Kitchen with Worldwide Campus on this playlist. Then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest videos.